The opinions and views expressed by guests on the Bold Stars podcast do not necessarily reflect the opinions and views of the show's hosts, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms on which the podcast is aired. Similarly, the opinions and views expressed by the hosts do not necessarily reflect those of their respective companies, workplaces, represented organizations, the Bold Stars Productions, or the streaming platforms airing the podcast. Audience discretion is highly encouraged.
Yes! What's up? Hey, starlings! My name is Donna, always ready to shake things up. Welcome to the Bolsters Podcast, Season 8.
Hey, humans! We're here once again, orbiting fresh topics and landing on the ones that spark change. Welcome to our safe space. This is Eds, and we are the Bold Stars Podcast.
One cosmos, countless constellations. Here we spark brave questions, bold conversations. This is the Bold Stars Podcast. Universes, galaxies and beyond. Come on in, let's talk.
Pag yun ang ginawa mong thumbnail, talaga magpa-friendship over na to. Alam mo, realization ko kagabi, diba, after nating mag-catch up and everything, isip ko, siguro grabe na lang din yung level of pagtitiwala ko sa'yo. No? Parang bahala. So, full disclosure, guys, si Eds kasi ang in charge sa editing, post-process, everything, lahat ng end product na nakikita nyo sa YouTube and of course, naririnig nyo sa Spotify. And every platform na nakikinig kayo is because of Ed. So, parang isip ko kagabi, si Ed so yung decide sa kung ano yung gagamitin niyang thumbnail or mga cut, kung ano yung best outcome for the both of us. So, wow, yun lang naman. Trust. Nakakatawa lang. Parang, yun lang. Sabi ko lang. Ayun. Pero kasi, diba, ganun naman pagka you have the autonomy. Autonomy is equal trust is equals autonomy din naman pala. Oh, may realization akong gano'n. Kahit nagpaklaan lang tayo kagabi.
Ang dami niya ng sinabi.
Siyempre, kasi season 8.
First 5 minutes. Talagang na marami.
Ganun nga.
Ayun nga, we just want to welcome all starlings back to our safe space. Ayan. Welcome back to the both of us. Dahil wala naman mag-welcome sa atin dito. Kung may welcome committee, why not? Pero wala naman. But
correct.
Yeah.
We're coming fresh from holiday season. Yeah.
I agree. First quarter din kasi.
At marami nag-aabang, parang, uy, kailan ba kayo magre-record or ano yung aabangan sa inyo? Ito na. Ito na yung inaabangan nyo.
Ito na. May ako nag-expect ba kayo? Hopefully naman nag-expect kayo, no?
Oo, pero ano nga ba ang aabangan nila for season 8? For 2025?
It's a brand new season. Yun ang maganda dun. And at the same time, yung marami kang hugutin, not just like hugot na something personal or sentimental, pero yung kind of hugot na ang dami mo natututunan every single day. Diba? And it kind of like a learning experience every time that you encounter new people, you experience new things, ganyan. Ang madami. And in with time comes new learning, comes new perspectives, ganyan.
Yeah. And for 2025, yan ang mga, iikutan natin for every conversation. Yung mga, for every episode, we will bring you different perspective, of course, like how the world has evolved. Like, kasi totoo, you can feel it, no? Yung shift. Like from 2024 and the year of January that it has been, that it was. So,
and one thing na nagpapasalamat ako that we've opened this season with a different kind of atake, I'd say. Kasi our listeners are used to us being like yung medyo ano ka,
Faceless.
medyo merong yung ganyan. Yung
I'd
medyo
say faceless.
mystery ganyan, 'di ba?
Yeah.
But now
So,
that we
kamusta kayo?
But now that we are starting a brand new season after, this is our 101st episode, can you imagine? This is our 101st episode and we'd like to keep it more real and raw and
Straightforward.
and most especially yung alam mo na galing sa na organic. That's a term. That's basically the term. It's organic. So, for today's episode, we are going to celebrate our 101st season. Looking forward to 200, 'di ba? Here in the Bold Stars podcast. Ganyan. And I'm very happy to be sharing new episodes, new season with you guys, with you Starlings, and especially with you, Donna. So, very grateful.
Yes,
for the
we're
new
all
season.
locked in. We're locked in on this episode, on this season. So,
Before we continue with the podcast, let's take a moment to acknowledge and thank our partners and sponsors for making this show possible. We'll be right back shortly.
Freshly ground beans warming up my heart. Brewing starts now, the steam begins to rise. Sip it slow, let the magic mesmerize. Every drop, every taste, it's like a dream. Coffee, babe, you're my morning beam.
We are a home-based coffee shop. We offer espresso coffee, hot and iced lattes, non-coffee drinks, and overloaded sandwiches. You can find us at Lot 25K, Sandoval Avenue, San Miguel, Pasig City, Philippines. You can contact us at 0916-965-0105. Coffee Bam, your daily caffeine kick.
It's like a rhythm, a melody we meet. Pour it
Tama yan, syempre. Category is The Bold Stars 101.
may allowance for mistakes, may allowance for
Oo.
sa shoes, sa damit. Di ba sa bewang? Alam mo yung kapag pasukan,
True.
di ba?
Mga matatanda kasi noon, kapag bibili yan ng mga uniform, ng mga sapatos, ng mga damit, dapat may allowance. Ganyan.
Correct.
Kasi,
At hindi na siya nawala sa vocabulary ko. Parang, lagyan mo ng allowance dyan. Yung may tansyahan talaga kasi, di ba?
oo. So, you'll never know kung kailan yung lalaki ka, kung kailan ka,
Yun
di ba?
nga. Kasi talagang
mga
magaling mag-budget din kasi yung mga matatanda. Like yung
I agree.
generation nila.
True naman. And yun nga.
And dahil, go sis, go.
At dahil, ako nang babangka dito, at dahil 101 episode natin, 'di ba? Parang 101 Dalmatian. Alala ko tuloy yung dati sa South Supermarket, ganyan. Sa Valenzuela to. Shout out sa mga Valenzuelanians. Valenzuelanians. May pa ASMR pa yung isa. Meron diyang McDonald's sa South Supermarket. Tapos tanantanda ko mga panahon mga 99. No, 99 totoo to 1996 may McDonald's doon. Tapos yung Happy Meal sa McDo, yung i-collect mo yung mga 101 Dalmatians na na
nung
toys,
lumabas yung
ganun.
movie.
Hindi ko yung gawa-gawa, no. Tanongin yung mga 90s kids natin, ganyan. Totoo yun, no. Kaya kailangan talaga i-justify. But yun, for this pilot episode, we are going to, it's another step kasi parang we celebrated 100. Tapos, this 101st is just the first of the next episode hanggang makakating tayo ng 200, ganyan. Hopefully.
It is the first stone towards towards more milestones. As we speak, parang naisip ko na we always look forward to the next milestone. Parang lagi nating minimove yung goalpost, 'di ba? Parang ito kailangan ma-achieve, ito yung next goal. Pero at this very moment, parang pag naisip mo, itong the mere fact that we're doing this right now, this is one step closer to that, milestone. And it also sets the tone.
Yeah.
If you will.
Yeah. True. And part na kasi ng growth as human beings na after mong ma-achieve yung something, laging wala tayong kakontentuhan. And I'm not saying na masama yung walang kakontentuhan ha. Pero kasi, when you have something to aim, something like a goal that you want to reach, mas nagiging meaningful every day that you wake up, 'di ba? Para saan ka bumabangon?
Yes, the value of showing up. Yun nga
Right?
Na-realize ko, ang daming realization, 'di ba? Kasi nga coming from the holidays, is parang you're you're trying to be more mindful and careful of your next steps of your goals, 'di ba? Parang naisip ko, 'di ba dati we grew up sa commercial na ng Nescafe nga. O 'di ba, shout out Nescafe. Na parang kayo nakabumabangon. And the magic of showing up siguro for this year for this season, palagay natin, yung showing up, I think that's something we really need to highlight and value. Yeah, so bakit nga ba tayo may recap talagang may ano tayo? I would say it's a renewal, like the Boldstars 101, because we're showing up differently for this season and for this year. It's about time that we do the video podcasting like what we did for our 100 episodes. So
Yes.
we're gonna embrace it. We're gonna embrace change and keep on showing up.
Pero para sa mga listeners sa podcasters or any podcasting apps and platforms, you could always listen to the episodes of the Boldstars podcast. Lagi naman naming i-upload yan doon. So, yes, but for those who are visually motivated when listening, so this is another option. And
Correct.
diba?
Talagang we're literally everywhere. So, depende na lang sa mood nyo. If you just want to be accompanied by our voices, di bongga. Andyan pa rin kami, guys. And I told Eds about this. That's still gonna be my OG, like my for real, ride or die. Ano talaga?
True.
Podcast. Like on the, like I don't need videos for sometimes, for most of the time, actually. Because, iba yung feeling parang, mas intentional kasi pag nanonood, I mean, pag nakikinig ka, like, just listening without the video. Pag video kasi parang, alam mo niya yun siya, parang nagfo-phone ka, diba? Or ako lang, hindi lang ako to. Diba? Yung parang, pag nagmumpang multitasking, diba? So, yun.
And for me, parang mas sustainable yung yung podcasting. Kasi, for example, sa video kasi you have to set up things, you have to set up the background, you have to set up, ang dami mong dapat i-prepare.
Yes. True, guys.
Pero kapag kasi halimbawa, like when we're gray and old, let's say, mga, kunyari, 80 years old, 90 years old na, you can still do podcasts, you can still record things. Kasi, just press the button and then, okay, naka-record ka na, tapos salang na siya. Pero, at the same time, napapaisip din ako, what do you think it means to be bold sa panahon natin ngayon, 'di ba?
Alam mo, ang timely nito because parang last time we did this type of, like, we talked about boldness. With all the pun intended, was back in 2022 when we started, and now, like, after a while, going 3 years. Diba? Parang it's about time. Like, what does it mean and what does it take to be a bold star, and what's boldness? For me, I think that's my word. Like, the courage to show up. That's like, I think, starting point to embracing your boldness. Kasi a lot of people will say, you should not do this. Or if you would listen, guys, to episode 1, that's the epitome of self-doubt. Yung talagang grabe, yung okay lang ba to? Lahat ng awkwardness and then. But then again, see, after 101, once you embrace your awkwardness, embrace your vulnerability, and you keep on showing up, that's your way to boldness. How about you?
For me, it's when you're talking about boldness sa atin kasi, it's more of asking braver questions. I think it's about asking braver questions so that you can start a bold conversation.
True. It's hand in hand. Talaga, it works hand in hand. Yung
Totoo.
bravery and boldness, 'di ba? Yung kasi if you don't embrace those the curiosity, those brave questions, hindi mo maa-unlock yung boldness mo, yung vulnerability. And vulnerability takes a lot of courage, 'di ba? Showing up takes a lot of courage.
Yeah.
Hindi man sa content creation but on the daily basis, 'di ba? So,
And it's like when you have like that bold spirit, you can ask questions, you can tell people unapologetically. Yun. Oh, 'di ba?
Duet.
So it's like even in workplace, even with conversations that involve, the loved ones or family or friendship, ganyan. Being bold could mean so much when it comes to growth in your relationships, 'di ba? Growth in your friendship, in your career, just asking those meaningful questions, 'di ba? That would spark change.
True. And speaking of asking questions or of opening up, in all aspects, like be it work or personal relationships, you get to know each other better and you build stronger relationship when you embrace each other's vulnerability. Like, yung, minsan kasi, di ba, parang, lalo tayo, LDR tayo, Eds, di ba? Like, LDR, yung, you don't see your friends every day or even very often. But, to have that courage to ask, to open up, that builds depth. Yung, kasi, di ba, we always measure friendships and relationships with how often you see each other or of course sa years by time, but also I think something we don't really pay attention is yung gaano ba kalalim ang pinagsamahan nyo, kasi yung how much depth is there in that years of friendship, diba? So yun, kasi meron namang yung may mga parts lang na pinapakita, di ba? But if you get to be brave to ask and also to show up for that friend or of that loved one, yeah, you would also have that that feeling of safety, yung sabi nga ni Simon Sinek, emotional safety, emotional and psychological safety.
Yeah. And madagdag ko lang dyan na parang one beautiful thing about adult friendship, which is so underrated, adult friendships, it's not like it's not demanding, it's not needy, and you consciously choose the people that you pull inside your circle. Very different from, mga friends kasi tayo ng mga, let's say, mga high school or yung mga college, ganyan, mga 20s, ganyan, na we hang out or we enjoy each other's company because we have common things, we enjoy common things, na parang you are activity partners or buddies, ganyan. But when you get to a certain age, na you want more depth, you want something that's more meaningful.
You can really lean on to.
Exactly. And then you have that consciousness to choose the person that you want to invest in. Kasi yung mga nalalabi nating mga oras sa mundo, 'di ba?
Yeah,
is very
I love
precious.
It.
To just throw it away or to just spend it with people that, number one, we don't like, number two, we don't share values with, and at the same time that causes us, stress and emotional baggage.
That are not good for your mental.
Right? So that's why I really see the beauty of the underratedness ng adult friendships.
And I'm glad that you touched on the word choose, like choosing your friends, choosing who you spend your time with mindfully. At this stage in our lives, like when you're in your 30s or even 40s especially, parang, lalo na siguro ibang may pamilya pa, parang if you have free time or if you really want to see someone, what I love about adult friendships is that you get to choose. You have the power to choose who you want to spend your time with, who you want to stay in your circle. So, be selective. Talagang quality over quantity.
And na-realize ko din na parang after mo na ma-enjoy yung 20s mo and you reach a certain age, I'm not saying na parang, you're smarter or, yeah, probably you're smarter in some areas, but we're still not perfect. We're still growing. Pero you wanna weed out those parang mga factors and people that would pull your spirit down, that would make you feel inferior, or that would add to your self-doubt, ganyan. Because sa panahon ngayon, sa dinami-dami ng mga nangyayari and uncertainties, you only want people na talagang ibu-boost yung alam mo yun, yung moral mo, ganyan. Instead of constantly struggling na parang ang dami mo ng issues, dadagdag ka pa, ganyan.
At saka, alam mo yung, do I really need to maintain this type of, alam mo yung sobrang, paano ba?
High maintenance is the word.
I'll compare it sa plants, di ba?
Yeah.
So, may mga plants na kahit hindi mo paarawan, hindi mo diligan every day, they will thrive. Ako personally, I don't have the capacity, the bandwidth to check on, like, okay lang ba to? Like, to be extra careful for this someone. Like, I would say na the people in my circle, like, I'm okay for them to see me messy, angry, disorganized, galit. So, all the messy parts. Kasi parang kung if I need to impress someone or if I don't feel safe enough to open this part of my life, parang wag na lang. Parang dagdag, kasi iisipin mo pa, di ba, yung parang kang maintain mo yung image. Parang kahit na tayo ay nagko-content creation and all, parang 2025, going back to what's gonna change for 2025, parang yun na, parang eto na to, guys.
Yun nga. Eto na talaga to. Kaya,
eto na to.
Sa mga darating na mga episodes, we just want to keep it like that. Kasi na-realize ko din na parang sa previous like 100 episodes, sa nakaraang 100 episode, we felt like, yes, it was a production, ganyan. But it's still a production. But at the same time, you want it to be closer to home.
Yes, oo.
You
like,
know?
Di ba kasi sabi natin before, come on in, let's talk. So, parang talagang, welcome sa sala. Ito na talaga to, guys. So, and siguro, ang napagbulay-bulayan ko, like, hindi kasi ako ma-TikTok, di ba? Pero shoutout TikTok, I love you na. I realize, kasi ang raw na mga tao doon, in fairness, iba pala talaga yung crowd niya. As a geriatric millennial trying to keep up with the times and trying to keep up with the program, yun ang masasabi ko na parang, eventually, you will really find your people. And with the 100 episodes that we did, I realized parang, noong una, parang, magugustuhan kaya ni ganito, ni ganyan. Parang you have people in mind that you wanna please.
Yeah.
But now, 2025, if you don't like it, skip. You will, our people will find us. Like,
absolutely.
Yun
Ganda.
Yun na yun.
Ganda.
Yun na siya.
I like what you said na parang your people will find you because really, ngayon kasi parang our values, our yung mga prinsipyo natin sa buhay, and yung mga pinaglalaban natin, and not just like the nakakapagod way, it attracts you to the right people. You know, it puts you into the right situations and experiences.
So true. And that's comforting. Like,
very much.
Like, going out in the world as a podcaster, as a content creator, it's scary. But then again, that gives me confidence as well, like, to show up na, it's okay to mess up. It's okay not to get it 100% all the time. But then again, this is something that we want to make sure na when we show up, you would really expect authenticity, you will expect safety, na we will hold space for you. Bago pa nauso sa Wicked, guys, season 1 pa lang, sinasabi na namin yan. Pero diba, na parang, we may have different views. We can agree to disagree. But still, we want to make sure that we give you quality content, of course, that you can relate, that, you know, can accompany you.
So, tinan nyo nga yung vibe ngayon, di ba? It's not like, kung kukumpara ko sa previous nga ng mga episodes natin, mga nakaraan, it's, this one is more homey. Yung ganyan. This one is, yung conversation na hindi ka takot na pupulaan ka ba or meron ba masasabi sa'yo. Lahat ng imperfections ilabas na natin dito.
We listen and we don't judge. Sabi
diba? Diba?
Yeah, na for 2025, we listen and we don't judge. So you listen to us and you may judge us, but it's fine. We won't judge you.
But at the same time, this is a content that gives safe space to everybody. But before we could give that safe space to anybody, it has to be a safe space for the both of us.
True.
Ganyan.
Kaya sabi ko sa inyo guys, gano'n na lang yung level of trust na binigay ko kay Eds. Talagang, kung ano yung thumbnail nakikita nyo, ano yung output, yung final product, audio, video, that's Eds. And I know that he's got my back. And I always have his back.
And nabanggit mo yung TikTok, no? Nag-start kaming mag-venture sa TikTok. Parang, okay, sige. Kasi kapag millennial ka, parang may push and pull ka. Parang makikibandwagon ka ba sa mga Gen Z at Gen Alpha? Or hihilahin ka ng mga Gen X at Boomer? Parang doon ka sa gitna. Parang it's always a struggle. Pero, you know, one good thing about being a millennial is we've been through walang internet, my internet. Yung evolution ng technology, we've witnessed that. Like Windows 95, 97 ba 90? Whatever.
Uy, grabe naman, 90
Windows.
ako eh.
Oy, wag ka. Windows 90 something, 'di ba? To Windows 11 ganyan, 'di ba? From yung yung paperclip na sa Windows
gosh, alam
dati.
Mo, feeling ko ang favorite ko na Windows was Windows 8, I think. Tapos nung nag-shift sa Windows 11, I was like, ano ba to? Yung so parang, ngayon hindi ko na alam kung anong Windows na. Like,
natin
sige,
yung mga
update
Windows.
mo na lang. Alam mo, like, come 2025, pagpasok, parang, syempre, yung work laptop and everything, hindi natapos sa update. Sige, update lang, update. So, just like podcasting, just like in content creation, we also need to update ourselves. Update and keep up with the times. Update yung software, yung brain, diba?
Speaking of update, naalala ko lang na parang, sa panahon ngayon, parang, di ba may mga ang tawag dyan, agreements, ganyan, di ba? Yung agreements, yung read the agreements, ganyan, tapos click if you accept, ganyan. Hindi ko na yung binabasa, wala na akong energy na basahin yung gano'n. So,
guys, let us know.
Pag sinabi na parang, okay, sell your soul, okay.
Diba? Data ba? Sige, kunin nyo na lahat. Baka makatulong sa iyo to. Tapos pakiclone nyo na lang ako para lahat ng gusto kong gawin, magawa ko. Like, in 24 hours, sige, gawin nyo 8. Speaking of, gusto ko panoorin yung Mikey 17. Mickey 17 ni Robert Pattinson.
Hindi ko alam yan, so educate me next time.
Coming soon. Alam mo, if there's something I'm excited about 2025, movies, Wicked Part 2. Yan, si Mickey 17. I'm excited to see new movies. How about you?
Pero ako, wala pa naman akong winook forward na movie dahil wala nga akong panahon manood ng Kasi parang super busy ka, ganyan. Tapos, parang ang dami-dami dinidemand sa'yo ng mga nasa paligid mo. But whatever, it is what it is. You deal with the cards that you have. But looking back dun sa episodes natin naman nakaraan, ano yung pinaka-topic na parang sa tingin mo na pwedeng, na parang, bitin, pwedeng bigyan ng part 2, ganyan, for this season, ganyan?
Alam mo, sa dami, feeling ko, ngayon na, on top of my head, hindi ako nag-review, guys, as in, talagang this is me thinking, look at me. Ang feeling ko bitin is more on yung sa bakit season natin. I think that's season 2. Yung parang, ang dami pang gusto kong himayin doon. Kasi it talks about society and our beliefs, like core beliefs na mga nakalakihan natin.
Mhm.
So, yun yung mga, di ba yung bakit episodes natin? Yun siya. Season 2 siya, I'm sure. So, yun yung gusto kong balikan. Parang, feeling ko, it's good to revisit like how our society in Philippine setting or globally, like how the world has transformed. Like, ang daming nangyari. Imagine, presidency, wars, ang daming nangyayari around the
agree.
world. Parang how does that shape us and the way we see the world now? So, ang dami dun sa bakit
Oo.
season, pati yung pagiging breadwinner, yung mga gender preferences, gender orientation,
Yeah.
mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Ikaw, if
Ako,
there's something
I'd
you wanna
say-
redo or dive deeper.
Oo. Ako meron. Remember yung ano natin, remember we had an episode na medyo, I won't say controversial. I won't say controversial, pero parang medyo out of the common,
Mhm.
Yeah. Kasi naman parang, remember when we were talking about like infidelity? Like when we look at the perspective of the person who cheated and the person who he or she cheated with.
Oo nga. Feeling ko season 2 and season 3 din yan, no?
Yun din yun. Alam ko mga
timeline na
3
yun.
yata yun, something.
Oo,
Hindi ko sure
gets.
I mean, kasi naman, it's 100
Kasi season 8
episode.
na tayo.
Yeah, basta, eto ha, I just would like to take this opportunity to flex. Diba? Na parang, ilan sa mga micro podcasters these days na nakaabot ng 100 episode.
Hindi nyo kaya. Ang Drag Race nga.
Diba?
pa lang.
Diba? I mean, diba? You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like it's something that na-accomplish
I know.
mo as a content
Yeah.
creator na parang na-realize ko na parang being a content creator pala is not just like how wide your reach is, pero yung quality and quantity ng content na ginawa mo, whether may nakikinig, whether may nanonood,
Yeah.
whether may nagko-consume or not.
Mm.
That's the satisfaction of content creating.
It's so fulfilling, no? So, yun yung ulitin mo sa more,
Oo.
di ba, relationships, yung core beliefs natin about that, di ba? Ang dami na nagbago at ang dami kasing nangyari sa paligid natin.
True,
diba?
that's so true. At
Oh
saka,
my God.
simulan, after nung episode na yun, ang dami na ring sumunod na mga pangyayari na parang, it makes the concept of like fidelity and faithfulness in a marriage or just any
The cork was
relationship,
uncorked. Yeah.
naging gray area na siya. So, i-realign natin ang mga sarili natin of what we
galing.
really
At saka,
believe
yun nga
in.
yung siya sa atin, oras na to para, oras na to, 2025 talaga to pause, reflect, realign, or reset.
And speaking of, no, if, halimbawa, if you could have like a party, no, ng parang, how do I say? Not like only influencers, pero parang a party of people sa mga Filipino icons ganyan or mga tao sa Pilipinas na who shaped, the past, let's say 100 months or 100 days ganyan. Who would you invite? Halimbawa, may party tayo ngayon.
Ako, walang kuskus balungos. Tony Gonzaga.
Oo.
Alam mo kung bakit? Ang dami niyang na-interview eh. Ang daming sino pa? Ang daming nakaharap sa kanya. Who else? Number
Give
1
me
talaga
two more.
Tony Gonzaga.
Give me two more. Sige, mga top 3.
Tapos, Tony
Ako muna.
Gonzaga.
Ako muna.
Sige, go. Tapos
Sige, ako muna.
ikaw.
Tapos ako, ang
Baka
gusto
meron ka
kong,
dyan eh.
ang gusto kong i-invite, di ba? Ang gusto ko
I love
sigurong i-invite is, hindi naman siya ganun talaga ka controversial or ingay yung pangalan. But I'd like to say, yung tumakbong labor candidate nung last 2022 election na si Calyodi de Guzman. Because
I'm so sorry, hindi ko siya kilala.
okay, so kasi
Wala siya sa algorithm ko.
Oo, naisip ko siya kasi number 1 is running for senator. And siya yung galing sa mga labor union. Yung mga
I get it.
naapektuhan ng inflation, nung pagtaas ng mga bilihin. Kasi, 'di ba, nung mga nakaraan at earliest episode natin, 'di ba, when we still have like what's how's life lately, when you're still ranting about those,
Girl,
pagtaas ng
ako talaga nakabantay sa pandesal.
ng mga bilihin, sila yung mga directly naapektuhan nun. Sila yung mga tao niya, or I'd say yung mga pinaglalaban niya, sila yung talagang pinaka naapektuhan, not coming from a place of privilege, na naapektuhan ng pagtaas ng bilihin, pagtaas ng gasolina. And I think it's about time that we somehow, I'm not using this platform to like for political stuff, no. Pero I'd say this time I'd like to take this opportunity to remind, Filipino people to vote correctly naman. And Calyadi is one of those people
Make
I'd
your,
like to invite.
make every vote count. Yung ganyan. Every person na ilalagay sa balota this 2025.
Because I wanted to ask. Because I really wanted to ask na parang, ano nangyari? Gaano kayo naapektuhan na sa pagtaas ng mga bilihin, sa pagtaas ng mga rent ng bahay, ng tubig, ng electricity, yung pagko-commute araw-araw. Because we could always talk about beautiful things and shiny, experiences in this podcast, but at the same time, we have to be our eyes have to be
grounded.
open dun sa reality. We have to be grounded na mayroong mga Filipinos who can't even listen to this, and it's not privileged to listen to this kind of platform because in the first place, imbis na ipangbili ng internet data, ibibili na lang ng bigas.
True.
That's all. So parang yun lang, siya yung invite ko para magchika-chika kami ganun.
Ang ganda ng sagot mo. Very anthropologically scholar. Wow, ano yung saan galing?
Ano yung saan galing yun?
Magamit lang.
Anyway, number 2.
Number 2, Karen Davila.
Oh, yes.
Para siya yung magpa-facilitate. Kasi, I look up to her. Oo, totoo. Parang, give na natin. Diba? Ang kapal ng mukha ko. Ako talaga yung, pag nakita ko to somewhere, magpapapicture ako talaga walang hiya-hiya. Totoo.
Oh, really?
Yan. Si Karen, gusto ko. Kasi dami rin niyang, I want to be able to pick her brain. Alam mo yun? Parang, ano yung experience sa ganito, sa ganyan. At saka siguro growing up, napapanood mo na siya. Tapos parang, ngayon iba na exposure din niya. Hindi lang as broadcaster, pero as content creator. Tapos syempre, yung circle din niya. So, climb high.
Totoo naman.
Climb high, climb
Totoo
well.
Naman.
Oh, ano
That's
ba?
true.
Oh.
Ako naman, ang second ko would be, I think I'd like to invite Heart Evangelista. Because I know like,
Thanks, B. Oh, sabay sila ni Karen. Sabay sila. Kasi BF, sila, close, same circle.
Yeah, I mean like all the carpet and all the roads, I think that Heart Evangelista is gonna step in or walk into. I think that it's always going to be special. Ganyan.
At saka may thing ako, ang basa ko kay Heart, may iba talaga siyang swerte na dala. Parang, isipin mo kahit na maliit na bagay na i-promote niya, talagang maso-sold out. So, yeah, thanks naman, Heart. Pero si Heart, talagang pag binati mo siya, lilingon talaga siya, Talagang kinapalang kumukha ako.
Nakita mo na ba? Nakita mo na ba siya in person?
Nakita ko na siya.
Wow.
Oo. As in, hindi ko napigilan, B. Sabi ko, hi, Heart, you're so pretty. Thank you. At lumingon talaga siya. Like, lumingon siya, B.
Namiti
pero
sa'yo.
madami siyang bodyguard. Oo, kaya parang, tumatak yun sa akin as a fangirl. Bias ko talaga siya. So, thank you. So, dahil dyan. Dahil my heart, parang, ba't hindi kaya si Cheese? Ay, pwede.
Ikaw, sino pangatlo mo? Go.
Dahil gusto natin nasa power, sige, Cheese Escudero. Para, diba, sabay na sila. Oh, diba? Oo, kasi bilang Senate President naman siya. Baka masagot niya yung mga tanong natin, diba?
Ayoko magtanong ng ganyan.
Pwede. Cheese Escudero. Pwede na rin. Pwede. Yun yung pangatlo ko, Cheese. Para, sabi mo si Heart eh.
Ako siguro, yung pangatlo ko, I'd say, I'm torn between two people, pero siguro I'd go with
Local pa lang to, guys.
local lang to. Ano ka ba? Siguro I'd go with Tony Fowler.
I love it! Alam mo, pag nag-live tayo, gusto ko talaga tong tayo ay nasa fine dining restaurant.
Oo.
I love her for that. She's many things, but I love her for that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yun lang. I mean,
Ano itatanong mo kay Tony Fowler?
kasi
Kaya,
parang
gusto ko yung Tony. I did not expect that from you, pero yeah, love it.
kasi
Ganda.
Kasi naisip ko na parang we can judge her like with the choices that she made, let's say, or the content that she produced,
Yeah.
ganyan, or the way that she expresses herself. But I think one thing that she's really good at is making a name for herself.
Totoo. At saka ito
Mm.
again, she's so many things. We can say different things about her. Pero I respect the hustle. Para itaguyod mo yung isang
Yun
buong barangay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Kasi talagang do I like the
Yeah,
way she does things?
do I agree with the way
Her
she,
choices.
she presents herself? Like, no,
But that's
we're
her.
we're not speaking, coming from like a high horse, ganyan. Pero we're trying to be more objective. I'd say na parang mas gusto mong tignan yung tao not just as one angle, one perspective, but like human beings have different,
Correct.
parang
Ganda.
aspect, ganyan. And we want to look at human beings and experiences that way.
Gusto ko yan. And guys, that's a lot coming from Eds. Totoo ako.
Diba?
Talagang iba ka na sa 2025, sis. So proud ako. Proud ako sa'yo.
Diba? Oh. Ay, proud din
Kasi
naman
hindi
ako
natin
sa'yo
siya pwedeng-
kasi naproud din ako sa kanya kasi talagang wala lang. Ayoko na magsalita ng madami pero yun, nakayanan ni Donna in 2024. So for sure, makakayanan niya ito 2025.
Alam mo, ayoko nang kayanin. Pero, alam mo, parang dapat lucky 7, dapat 7 siguro. Alam mo, kung merong isang pahabol, Rufa May. Para may pang gitna. Diba?
O kung ganyan din naman, may tayong singit na isa. Gusto ko lang din ihabol. Siyempre, si Vice.
Ay, oo nga, pwede.
Si
Ang
Meme.
ganda ng lineup. Tony,
Rumble,
Hart. Ano nga pangalan nung politician? Sorry. Nung tumakbo. Sino nga siya ulit? Pakilagay mo
Sino?
sa description.
Si Leody de Guzman. Si Cal
Leody
Leody.
de Guzman.
Yeah.
Okay.
Siguro-
Leody. Nakikita ko si Leody. Hindi ko lang
Alam mo kung bakit naisip ko si Cal Leody? Kasi naisip ko, kasi naalala ko si Papa mo, si Tatay Danilo.
Si Mang Danilo.
Oo, na parang organizer talaga siya ng mga
Girl, siya talaga.
grupo.
Siya
So
talaga.
parang, this is
Priority
very
niya
Cal
yun,
Leody.
sis. Talagang,
Very Cal Leody.
talaga, i-message siya pa, available ka ba? Talaga ako pa yung nag-check ng calendar niya para mas busy ang calendar
Hello
nitong
po, Tatay Danilo. Talaga naalala ko po kayo. Sana you're okay. Ganyan.
citizen natin na to. So,
So yun naisip ko parang, yes.
Oo. Tama
Ayun.
naman. Dahil nandito na tayo sa, sa pa-meeting natin sa ating mga mga influential.
General Assembly. General Assembly ng mga Bold Stars. Uy, maganda
Parang,
yun. Dapat
oo,
meron tayong General
ganda.
Assembly, di ba?
Meron tayo sariling
The Bold Stars
sa Marvel?
Convention.
Oo.
Avengers.
Avengers. Oo. So, meron na tayong, meron na silang sirat na table. Ito, pagmimitingan natin. If we could rewrite one chapter of Filipino history, which would you change to reflect a bolder and more progressive society? Ito yung mga magagandang, kaya tayo may
Diba?
Karen Dabil at saka Cheese Escudero.
Totoo,
Yung mga
diba?
taga-UP,
Pang-matatalino,
sila
diba?
yung mag-iisip nito. Tapos,
Pang-matalino, di ba? Alam niyo,
tapos
minsan
si
kasi,
Tony yung magpapaboto. So, si Tony, magboboto tayo. Ganon.
kasi, kasi naalala ko kasi guys, minsan, parang, we're torn between, are we going to make this like a very informative podcast, or are we going to make this, I think Bold Stars is just like anything goes. It's like a a fruit bowl. Ganyan.
Wala
Like
nang pinatutunayan.
bahala ka saan papunta to. Pero yun nga, to answer your question, I think if I could rewrite one chapter of Filipino history, I think sana ay naku, baka kasi ako dito, makancel ako dito eh.
Ito
na
naman
ay
lang.
thoughtful thinking lang naman. Thoughtful thinking lang naman to.
In hindsight lang naman to.
Disclaimer.
Wishful thinking.
Hindi ko po ina-undermine hindi ko pinapawalang kabuluhan yung ginawa ng mga national hero natin na si Rizal and the rest of our heroes, 'di ba? Gusto disclaimer lang, para huwag niyo maki-cancel. Ito na naman lang tawag dito, hypothetical lang to o kaya parang parang imagination lang para bigla kang sumakses. So naisip
Kung tayo may success.
So naisip ko, siguro, paisip lang ako, napatanong ako, brave question, di ba? To lead to bolder conversations. Napaisip ako, kung hindi kaya tayo nanlaban sa isa sa mga colonial, sa mga sumakop sa atin, ano kaya yung magiging future natin kung hindi tayo nanlaban? Kunyari, hindi tayo nanlaban sa Espanya, o hindi tayo nanlaban sa Amerika, o hindi tayo nanlaban sa Hapon. Ano kaya magiging present or future ng Pilipinas?
Tanong na tinatanong din naman ng iba na we're not brave enough to handle that conversation. So hindi natin sasagutin 'yan.
So
pero we're just bringing it out there.
Pero kung ma-rewrite natin yung chapter na 'yan. So yun lang naisip ko. Curious lang ako na malaman kung hindi tayo nanlaban sa mga Amerikano. Tayo ba ang 51st state?
Kayo pakisagot ha.
Wondering, no? At kung 51st state tayo, ano kayang kalagayan natin ngayon?
Gusto ko ito ipapol. Ang ganda nito. Yung
diba?
Hinaing ng
Naging public service.
ng mga pumipila para mag-apply ng visa.
Yes.
Tanong yun. Yun ay tanong.
Yan ay
okay?
tanong, no? Yes.
Yan ay tanong.
Pero, tasagutin ko yung tanong mo, no? Kasi, di ba, sa imaginary situation, ganyan. I think na kung hindi tayo nanlaban sa mga Amerikano, katingin ko lang naman paulit-ulit ako, I can't stress this enough. Huwag niyo seryosohin to. Masyado kayong
ito kwentuhan lamang.
Diba? Pawang kwentuhan lamang. Siguro mas meron tayong kakayahan to protect ourselves against
You think so?
Against present invaders, ganyan. Kasi parang they'd protect us kasi we're from afar and we're a state, ganyan. Maybe, I don't know.
I see you. We listen and we don't judge.
We listen and we don't judge. Kung hindi tayo nalaban sa Espanya, halimbawa.
Girl, ako siguro sama ng ugali ko at ang tapos lalo ng ilong ko. I'm gonna be dangerous. Like, yeah, that's it.
What would you do? Halimbawa, meron kang Spanish passport. The first thing you're going to do is what?
Charing.
Alam mo, kita niyo ba yun ngayon? Sinaseryoso, kinikinig siya. Tapos, huminga talaga siya.
Ang saya ko lang. Number 1, main answer, hindi siguro ko ganito kapagod. Yun. I will not.
Oh, that hits right at home.
I mean, diba? Like, I don't need to expound on that. But, diba? Hindi ako ganito kapagod. Mas masarap siya sabihin sa Tagalog. Diba? Iba yung pagal. Hindi masyadong nakakapagal siguro.
Grabe ka naman. Ba't bigla, parang naman ako doon. Bigla ka namang...
Iba ang ate mo pag nag-iisip.
Grabe ka naman.
Yun lang.
Pagod.
Kasi, nung umpisahan nyo
Nakakapagod.
Yun lang, like, pero in all seriousness, like, hindi siguro ganito yung pagod at hindi masyado siguro nakakapagal. So, I don't know, kanya-kanya tayo ng path, pero yeah, that's the question. We'll never know the answer.
Wow. Anyway, bilang binugs na tayo ni Donna sa sagot niya. Ngayon na nag-reach na tayo ng episode like 101, diba? What's one bold prediction you have for the future as a Filipino, as Filipinos, ganyan?
My God. As a Filipino talaga. Oh, hindi ba pwede as a bold star na lang? Tara.
as a Filipino bold star. Diba?
As a Filipino
kasi meron
bold
din naman tayo kasi mga bold stars sa Reunion Island. Hindi ko talaga nakatatak na talaga sa isip ko yung Reunion Island. Gusto ko talaga malaman sino ang nasa Reunion Island na nakikinig ng The Bold Stars Podcast. Please, if you're listening again, let us know. Anyway, yun lang.
Ako, one bold prediction.
Oh my gosh.
Hala! Ang
Hala!
hirap.
Mag-isip ka. Isipin mo kung
Kasi
ano.
alam mo ba, nahirapan ako kasi it can go in many ways, lalo na may election coming. So,
The Philippines will be, the Filipinos will be, the Filipinos, yan ang sentence starters mo as an English language teacher. Sentence starters.
As a Filipino na lang, I think Filipinos for 2025 will be more mindful and selective. Grabe ako sa positive scripting.
Wow.
Positive scripting.
Wow.
I'm manifesting, I'm declaring it as a win. Yun na lang.
Okay.
Parang whatever it is you're manifesting for, I think Filipinos are more mindful. Like financially, decisions, and yun, yung mga contents natin out there. I think Filipinos would be more mindful in general.
Ako naman,
Ikaw?
I'd go the other way. I think that in 2025, Filipinos will choose to continue to close their eyes and open their mouths and talk.
Nakita nyo to, guys. Nakita nyo. Magkaiba kami ng nakikita. Na magkaiba kami ng bolang kristal. So, which is which?
And time is up. Please feel free to re-listen or check out our previous episodes on any platform that you're listening to, and we're sure you'll find a perfect company for any time of the day. Because good conversations never go stale.
And of course, we value your opinion on our podcast topics and would love to feature your insights in our upcoming episodes. You can leave a comment on our social media posts, participate in our polls and Q&A on Spotify or here on YouTube, or send us a message at theboldstars@gmail.com.
Oh, shout-out time na. Na-miss ko naman mag-outro.
May naalala ako i-shoutout, so i-shoutout natin.
Yes. Shout-out po sa lahat ng mga listeners ng The Bold Stars Podcast. We're on our 101st episode and more. Ganyan. And, ayun lang. Mapa-thank you lang talaga ako kasi we always find our way back to what we love to do. Ganyan. And I hope that you enjoy this, the first to 200th episode. Ganyan. So, salamat po sa lahat ng mga support, sa lahat ng mga listenership. Thank you so much. And don't forget to hit that follow and subscribe button on our socials and communities to keep tabs on all the fresh updates when it happens, as it happens. And you can check us out on X at The Bold Stars, on Instagram at The Bold Stars, on TikTok at The Bold Stars, and on Facebook at The Bold Stars Podcast.
And because we want to be closer to you, Starlings, we are conquering the brave new world of live streaming. You can now join us on our live sessions on TikTok. And we will have bigger, brighter, and bolder conversations and edition of What's a Fuzz Live. So, lahat ng mga pasabog na nangyayari on a weekly basis, doon tayo magkita-kita sa TikTok. And aside from that, to stay updated about What's the Fuzz Live, simply click the follow or subscribe button on our social media accounts. You can catch us at The Bold Stars on different platforms. Of course, we're on Spotify, Amazon Music, Apple Podcasts, iTunes, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Just type them at The Bold Stars Podcast.
Ang dami na niyan.
Yeah, kaya ka.
Diba? To our friends and
overstimulated. Go!
To our friends and families, old and new, thank you for keeping us company. And as always, the goodbyes, just brand new hellos. And by the way, don't skip on all the contents we've got lined up every Monday yan. So follow us kung hindi ka pa nakafollow. Subscribe, hindi pa nakasubscribe. Tune in again next time for a new episode.
Here's for more braver questions and bolder conversations. May all your stars align in your favor. This is The Bold Stars Podcast,
Season 8. 8.
Laban!
One cosmos, countless constellations. Here we spark brave questions, bold conversations. This is the Bold Stars Painting. Universes, galaxies and beyond. Come on in, let's talk.